Conversation between two friends about I am getting fat.
Oh my God!
What happened?
Can't you see? I am getting fatter day by day.
You don't look fat.
Yes, but I am. I have gained 10 pounds in the last 2 months. Look at my stomach.
Oh! It is a serious matter. How much is your weight?
I think about 170 pounds.
What kind of foods do you eat?
Whenever I am hungry, I only want to eat junk food. I usually have pasta for dinner. Sometimes I get takeout or fast food if my wife don't have enough time to cook. But I know I should eat healthy food. So, I fight with myself.
One side says you should eat healthy food. The other side says, but you want to eat junk food.
Now tell me, what should I do to lose weight?
I was reading a diet book the other day. It said, if you eat vegetables and fruits, you will lose weight quickly.
Wow! Does that work?
I don't know. But someone told me they tried it and lost 10 pounds.
I think I should cut down on my food.
No, don't do that, because it can spoil your health. You may become weak due to lack of nutrients. Instead of cutting back on food, you should eat more vegetables and fruits.
What kind of vegetables should I eat?
You should have green vegetables, like cabbage, spinach, tomato, carrot, etc.
That sounds good. But I am not sure how long I could do that.
Don't overthink. Just try it. You should drink 1 to 2 liters of water instead of cold drinks. You should drink water from an earthen pitcher instead of a refrigerator.
Okay.
You should do some light exercise in the morning.
But I wake up at 7 in the morning and at 8 o'clock for my office.
You should wake up early in the morning and do an hour workout.
I will try it.
You should go for a walk after coming home from the office.
I will do my best to get back to a healthy weight.
If you do all these things, then you will regain your healthy weight. And remember, don't lose your hope. Keep smiling. Laughing is good for health.
Thanks, my friend. Talking to you made my mind lighter.
Now I have to go to the supermarket. Bye.
Bye.
If you like this video, so don't forget to like and share my video. Please press the bell icon and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching this video.